Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add a dormer. So for example, you can draw simple plans with the wall tools. And the next, create for the perspective view. Move to drag of the plan view. So I will change for the roof types into gables. You can select this face. Click these icons to create a gable wall. And also in another side, you can select the wall and click again the icon. So if you want to add the dormer into this roof, you can go to roof tools, click auto floating dormer, click on the walls. It's not working because we need to change for the roof pitch. So you can delete this dormer and then select for the roof. You can press shift button to select multiple, click open, and in pitch degree I will set into 45 degree. Click OK to apply. Click yes. And the next, use auto floating dormer. Click on the walls to be shove dormer into your roof. You also can edit by clicking the dormer objects. Click open. And in here can set for walls like we create sub room below, or you can create from room inside dormer. You can click OK to be create the room inside the dormer. Okay, that's it for a basic dormer. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add a dormer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.